Hey guys, got a new video for you. This is how to make your own liquid laundry detergent. What you're going to need is a pot that you don't use anymore. Same with a measuring cup and a spoon you're not going to use anymore. Some borax, washing soda, and soap. Typically I use two of the same, but this is what I have left over. Now, all of this, well, the ingredients to make the soap shouldn't cost more than $10. And the soap can last about a year, depending on how dirty your clothes are. So what you're going to need also is a 5-gallon pail. Now, you can get them at Lowe's for, I believe, $5. So in total, it's about, your initial cost will be about $15-ish. But that can also depend on how your prices are, where you live. So these 2 bars of soap, for the Sunlight here, you can get a 2-pack at Walmart for $2. And with the Dove, you can get that also for a 2-pack at Superstore for $2. The borax, I believe, costs under $6. I don't remember where I got it, but you can shop around for that. The washing soda, I will put a link in the description on how to make it, is actually baking soda that has been baked, and I got that baking soda for only $1. So what you're going to first you're going to do is grate up your soap. And then you're going to put 8 cups of water or a half a gallon in your pot. And you're going to let it melt the soap slowly on like a low to medium setting. You don't want it to get too frothy. Okay, now that I've gotten my soap all grated up, this is the worst part of making the actual soap. You could probably do it faster with a food processor, but I just use a regular grater. So now I'm going to add 8 cups of water to this. Okay, so I've just added 8 cups. I'm going to turn it on to, let's say 4. In between that. Now we're just going to let this kind of melt all the soap so we can pour it into our bucket. I also have the hot water running because you want as much hot water, or as hot water you can get from your tap to put in your bucket, okay? Now comes the easy part. You need to put 4.5 gallons of hot water, as hot as you can get it, into this bucket, or 72 cups. Alright, now that I've got the water that I need, I'm going to put 2 cups of washing soda and 2 cups of borax into the water. I should mention, for people who have sensitive lungs, like asthma, I might suggest wearing a mask. Try to keep from breathing in the stuff. I've done it before without a mask, but just for safety's sake, you should probably put a mask on. Alright, so you can actually add your own fragrance, if you would like, to your laundry detergent. You can use essential oils, or I have used in the past the Downy Unstoppables, which they smell heavenly. That's up to you. It's a personal preference or not. I'm going to make this pretty plain, I think. So I'm just going to leave it as it is, and if I want extra boost of scent, then I'll just put the Unstoppables in my wash before it goes, I guess. So we're just going to give this a little bit of a stir. Let's see. There's still chunks that need to dissolve before we put it in our borax washing soda water. So alright. I'm going to say most of the soap has dissolved. I'll give it a couple more minutes, and then I'm going to pour it into my borax washing soda water. Now the soap is done. I've given the borax water a stir, and now I'm just going to add the soapy water. Now I'm going to give this a stir, one more stir. And what's going to happen is you're going to leave this for 24 hours. And then after the 24 hours is up, you're going to give this another stir because it's going to like gelatinize basically. Or you can give it a good shake and then it's ready to use. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make your own 5 gallons of laundry detergent for under $20. Don't forget to put a lid on this, and otherwise than that, like and subscribe.